Little brother. I don't know. Little brother wants to play with you so bad.
Why, Mom?
Because he loves you.
What does spell Mom?
It says, I love my mom. He's trying to get your phone. Nice try, Sam. I'm impressed, buddy. Yeah, gentle, careful. Alright, Sam, I don't think brother wants you to have his phone right now. I know, it's a really good try though, buddy. Poor Sam.